Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 778 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, the New York Stock Exchange is aiming at offering crypto and NFT exchange services. Mawson has announced a partnership between Cosmos Asset Management and Purpose Investments, and DeFi Technologies is partnering with RockX. Just before we get into the show, though, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so Bloomberg reports that the New York Stock Exchange, which is owned by Intercontinental Exchange, trading on the NYSE as ICE, has expressed its aim to be a financial exchange for cryptocurrencies and NFTs. This was expressed in a regulatory filing with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office dated February 10th this year. Though the exchange reportedly has no immediate plans to launch crypto or NFT trading, it regularly considers new products and their impact on its trademarks and protect its intellectual property rights accordingly. Moving along, Mawson Infrastructure Group, Inc., which trades on the NASDAQ as MIGI, has announced that Cosmos Asset Management Party Limited is partnering with Purpose Investments, Inc., to provide Australians with new investment opportunities in the growing digital asset ETF category. Som Saif, the CEO and founder of Purpose Investments, Inc., said, quote, "Last year at Purpose, we launched the world's first physically settled Bitcoin ETF in Toronto, and today we are one of the largest digital asset managers in the world. The Purpose Bitcoin ETF is the world's leading and preferred investment vehicle for easy, safe, and convenient access to Bitcoin for both small and large investors. We're thrilled to partner with the great teams at Cosmos and Mawson to bring this innovation to Australian investors. We believe Bitcoin, as the first and largest asset in the emerging cryptocurrency ecosystem, is poised to continue its growth trajectory and adoption as an alternative asset, further cementing the investment opportunity it presents." End quote. DeFi Technologies, Inc., which trades on the NEO under the ticker DEFI, has announced a strategic partnership with RockX to provide staking yield through financial products. RockX is a Singapore-based firm described in the press release as an institutional gateway to crypto, finance, and blockchains. Now, this partnership will give both companies a framework to enhance the staking components of the company's current respective exchange-traded product, or ETP, infrastructures, co-develop ETP products, provide institutional staking services, custodian services, and real-time data yield oracle. Zhuling Chen, the director and CEO of RockX, said, quote, "Staking offers the crypto-native, risk-free, sustainable yield in proof-of-stake assets. As more people are getting access to proof-of-stake assets and the market capitalization increases with wider usage of blockchains, staking yield is a multi-billion revenue opportunity that shouldn't be missed. We are thrilled to partner with DeFi Technologies to bring staking yield to regulated ETP products and help any future financial products to earn such yield while all underlying assets are stored in a secure custodian wallet of their choice." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.